Hi, my name is Joe Lewis. I'm here to talk to you a little bit about my potential green build proposal. It is interesting, I feel, as an energy modeler, how much variation in results we find depending upon the assumptions we make in terms of schedules of use. And something that we don't talk to ownership about very frequently is this idea of schedules of use. And while a new building, we don't understand how it might be used, there is a wealth of information in the existing building stock. And for owners that have lots of existing buildings, they should be able to leverage that information to help their buildings and help their energy models be better predictors of actual use rather than this fictional comparative analysis that they are right now. So the point of the talk would start with talking about the idea of schedules. For example, I have a ASHRAE 90.1 2007 schedule for a secondary education building. This is a schedule that is very standard. The user's manual is something that most modelers will reference because it is what we call a defensible position. As you can see, it's very interesting in shape, sort of how you would expect a school. It assumes that the building operates year-round at occupancy. Comparing this to a prototypical models based upon Standard 2016, this is used by the federal government to understand how much code changes affect energy use in new buildings. You can notice that this has a much blockier shape, and unfortunately, it has the same number of equivalent full load hours, so one might think that this is very similar in nature. However, this makes the assumption that the school is closed during the summer to everybody but the administration, which can and cannot be the case. So from there, we would discuss further about how owners and building managers can change the assumptions that modelers make and conversations they can have in terms of setting design requirements and how to set up those design requirements by evaluating your existing building stock to see how you're actually using your other buildings. For example, if you have lots of middle schools in your district, can you look at how they're all being used to evaluate how the new middle school will be used and how those choices will help a building transition from a new building to an existing building stock. Thank you very much.